If you are wondering how long does the battery last on the Xiaomi 15T, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So more or less the realistic time that we have on a single battery charge is approximately 15 hours on an average daily usage of the phone. This includes a little bit of calling, a little bit of browsing on the web, and a little bit of watching videos, and a little bit of playing some games. Of course, depending what you do exactly and what features you have enabled, this can vary. So for example, if we use our phone just for calling, your phone should be able to stay up for even 36 hours. For browsing the web, it should be like 14 hours or so. For watching videos, it should be approximately 17 hours. And for games, it should last for 9 hours or maybe slightly less actually than that. But these are the average times that we can get on this phone on a single charge. But like I said, depending on what you do with your phone, these times may vary. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.